Hi America, Frank DeSoma, owner and founder of Patriot Ordnance Factory. My adversary is the competition. This Constable for $9.99 overmatches all adversaries. And let me tell you how it does that. 16.5-inch nitride heat-treated barrel, A2 flash hider, Renegade rail, 15-inch, free-floating, M-lock at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. 2 quick release points up front for slings, 2 in the rear. Not only is this a free-floating rail, but it's a system. We have a heat sink barrel nut for dissipating heat. We also have bolt carrier assembly that's nitride heat treated along with a roller cam pin, not found in any other gun. Reduces friction and drag. We also have a MILSPEC charging handle, MILSPEC furniture. Let's go to the lower. But before we get there, let's talk about E-square. So you have push-pull extraction in the barrel. That technology is owned by us. An enhanced bolt catch with the paddle, enhanced paddle on it. Ambidextrous selector, anti-tilt buffer tube. And what's even best about this lower, we have tensioning screws in the lower of nylon that you can adjust for the fit of the upper to the lower. Nylon screws aren't found in any other product out there. At this price point, I challenge you to find a better product that's more feature-rich than what this product is for $9.99 MSRP. And like every other product we make, all our products wear the American flag and God bless America. If that offends you, don't buy our product.